Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Putchmo here. Today, I'd like to give you a brief overview of Google Slides. We'll get into more specifics in another video, but this one's going to go over all of the tools that you have and just briefly give you an idea of what all content and fancy things that you can add to your slideshows. So Google Slides is a collaborative slideshow that you can share with your friends. You can share with your teachers, get feedback, get help, or even work together on things. So you can pull in, import slides from a different form. You can pull in PowerPoint slides and convert them into Google Slides. You can, when you're finished, you can email this out. You can download it as a PowerPoint or a PDF or an image. So many options here. You can publish them to the web and use them as a living document so that you can make changes here and your embedded object on the web will automatically update itself. There are speaker notes that you can add to the bottom of your slide. And then when you present, the audience won't see the speaker notes. They'll just see your main slide, and then you'll have the speaker notes in front of you to help guide you during your presentation. So that's really great. There are themes that you can insert that give you some colorful options, or you can build your own. So these are kind of fun to play around with. You can also import themes from other sources. If you have one online that you really like, you can download it and import it right into your Google Slides. You can insert text boxes, images, audio clips, video clips. There are shapes that you can insert, and some of these you can write text inside the shapes, but you can color them. You can make them, give them animation and make them pop around the room. You can wait until you click and then the animation comes in. So lots you can do with the shapes and text boxes. There's tables you can insert if you like tables. Of course, you can do charts, which are pulled straight from your sheets, or you can make your own right here. Diagrams, word art, one of my old favorites, and lines. Formatting, that is all about texts and text boxes and borders and lines and images and stuff. So you can format anything that you throw in there. Your slides, you can copy and paste them. You can duplicate them. You can skip them. If you have one that you're not sure you want included, you can skip it for now and it'll just turn invisible. And so when you run your slideshow, it just skips that slide. And you can do that to multiple slides if you like. You have backgrounds that you can select. So they can either be solid colors, or you can import pictures or objects as a background. And then you have slide transitions. So just like PowerPoint, when a new slide comes in, there's a few transition animations that you can add to your slides. Arranging, you can layer pictures like over top of each other. Text boxes layer everything. So you can take a text box and put it over top of a picture and use that layer, use the arrange tool to layer the text so it's over top of the picture. Just things like that. Plus, you can rotate them around, put things on an angle, group several things together. So once you get it how you like it, you can group them together and then it moves as a single object, which is really nice. You have all the basic tools. So you have a spell check, you have a dictionary, you have the explore tool. So you can research a word or a phrase right inside of Google Slides. There's no reason to exit the slide or have another window to research. You can voice type. I love that. There's a new Q&A feature when you present that I will be doing a video about later. So that's pretty awesome. Advanced people can get into the script editors. And then there are add-ons. So there's add-ons for a lot of different things. You can go to the add-on, the marketplace, sorry about that, the marketplace, and you can search for different add-ons. We have to be careful at school that they are FERPA and COPA compliant. So I'm careful with which ones I add. But if you're a home user, if you're a small business, you can use any add-ons you like. They work great and certainly make your presentations better. When you get ready to print, you can download it as a PDF, or you have several options. A handout printout so that you can send your students home with them, or your audience can take one to go home, or you can just print single slides. So there's lots of options there. Plus, you'll get to share this with colleagues and friends. And that's the best part of it. It is so versatile. You can add comments just like any Google Doc. So you can comment on each other and you can work together. And then presenting is just very simple. You just hit the presenter view, or you can present from beginning. So there's a lot of options there. You can rename them up here really easily, and you can star them so that they pop out in your Google your Google Drive. You can move them around in your Google Drive and sort them and keep yourself organized. There's also an edit history, so you can open this up and see all the history of the edits you made. I just made this blank one, so there's not very many saved edits, but tons to choose from. So keep watching the channel. I am going to go through each one of these carefully and show you how to use each section, each tool, and give you some great ideas for teaching, for students, for presenting, senior project ideas, small businesses. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.